Actually, sobrang hirap talaga. May mga araw na pakiramdam ko ubus na ako at hindi ko na alam kung kakayanin ko pa. Ramdam ko na sobrang down ko na at unti-unti akong pinanghihinaan ng loob. There were moments when I started doubting myself, the process, and whether things would ever get better. It felt like I was carrying a weight that never seemed to get lighter. But despite everything, I kept trying to move forward one day at a time. Yes, most of the time, mas gusto kong akuin at harapin mag-isa mga problema ko. Kasi I never wanted to feel like a burden to anyone. Lagi ko lang kinikimkim sa sarili ko ang mga nararamdaman ko. But as time passed, I realized that I didn't have to carry everything on my own. I learned that asking for help doesn't make me weak. It's okay to lean on others when things become too heavy. Kasi hindi naman masamang humingi ng tulong kapag hindi mo na kayang dalhin lahat mag-isa. Yes, it did. Those small hopes became my reason to keep going. Lalo na sa mga panahon na walang kasiguraduhan at mahirap. Kahit maliit lang yung pag-asa, it reminded me that my situation wasn't permanent and that better days would eventually come. Those little moments of hope helped me realize that this was just a challenge I had to overcome. Oo naman, looking back, I realized that I was much stronger than I thought I was. There's a certain kind of peace that comes from knowing you survived one of the hardest chapters of your life. Kahit gaano kahirap at kahit minsan parang imposible nang malampasan, kinaya ko pa rin. Through all the pain, struggles, and doubts, I kept going. Ngayon, masasabi ko na sa sarili ko na kaya ko pala at mas malakas ako kaysa sa inaakala ko.